SurveyChat enables you to design simple questionnaires and collect data via Facebook and Telegram chatbots. So you design a form called contact with the name, height, age, location, and take a selfie. And then also you can put in the error message that will be shown when validating. Here you can have the options. You go to Survey Chatbot on your Facebook or Telegram app, and then you fill in contact. From there it will ask you questions. What is your name? What is your height? What is your gender? And then you will share your location. It will ask you to take a selfie. You open the camera. Then it will tell you thank you for filling in this survey. The data is instantly uploaded to the backend. When you log into the dashboard, you will find the forms. Then you click on it. You are able here to view the data instantly. And then also here you can export to Excel. You can even print to PDF. You can also sort it, and you're able also to search.